Hello everyone, welcome to today's sharing. In the next while, we'll explore a revolutionary tool, Claude Science. It's not just a new AI model, but an AI workbench designed to fundamentally transform how scientific research is done. We'll dive into how it accelerates the journey from initial scientific discovery to final clinical application, giving researchers unprecedented capabilities. Before diving into Claude Science, let's first examine the common challenges facing today's researchers. We all know the road of scientific research is full of challenges, but some bottlenecks are particularly prominent. First is data silos. Researchers often need to piece together information from dozens of different databases like detectives, a time-consuming process. Second, our toolchains are fragmented. From literature search to data analysis, we switch back and forth between different software and platforms, with extremely low efficiency. Huge amounts of precious time are wasted on repetitive manual labor instead of real scientific thinking. More seriously, often we cannot accurately reproduce our own analysis results from months ago. This seriously impacts research credibility. Finally, although AI is powerful, its hallucination problem, the tendency to fabricate information, makes us love and fear it in scenarios requiring absolute rigor. These pain points are exactly what Claude Science aims to solve. To address these challenges, Anthropic officially launched Claude Science on June 30, 2026. So what exactly is it? In short, Claude Science is not a simple chatbot, but a complete AI research workbench. Its core concept is transforming AI's role from a passive Q&A assistant to a partner that proactively plans, executes, and verifies research tasks. Imagine you just give a research goal, like analyze the expression pattern of a certain gene in a specific disease, and Claude Science automatically completes most of the subsequent work. It aims to be a unified platform, a smart agent, and a reliable assurance, completely transforming how we conduct scientific research. Claude Science's power first lies in its unique dual-core drive architecture. Imagine it as a research team with two key roles. The first is the main agent, a project manager who understands your research goals and decomposes them into specific steps like search PubMed for relevant papers, connect gene database, run analysis with Python, etc. Then it dispatches these tasks. But a manager alone isn't enough. Research needs rigor. So Claude Science has a second key role, the review agent. This quality inspector monitors in real time, checking whether each step's computation is correct and whether cited papers really exist. Once problems are found, it flags them immediately. This design fundamentally solves the AI hallucination pain point, letting us confidently use AI for research. Another core advantage of Claude Science is its powerful connectivity. It's like a super outlet with countless ports, pre-integrating over 60 mainstream scientific databases and tools. Whether you study genes, analyze protein structures, or work in drug chemistry, Claude Science has already paved the road for you. It can directly dialogue with PubMed to search literature, interact with the 10x Genomics platform to analyze sequencing data, even connect to your lab's electronic lab notebook. More importantly, it's not closed. You can create and add your own tool connections based on your research needs. This seamless integration frees researchers from tedious tool switching and data format conversion. The soul of research lies in reproducibility. Claude Science achieves the ultimate in this area. It creates an experience we call research time capsule. What does this mean? When Claude Science generates a beautiful data chart for you, it doesn't just give you an image. It simultaneously gives you the complete code for that chart, detailed runtime environment info, and plain language explanations of the analysis steps. The entire research process, from your initial one-line instruction, through every adjustment, to the final report, is fully recorded. This means even months later, you can clearly know how that conclusion was reached, and can return to any step for modification and refinement. This completely solves the pain point of difficult-to-reproduce research results, making the entire research process more transparent and reliable than ever. Research analysis often requires huge compute power. Claude Science is not only smart but strong. It can flexibly schedule compute resources based on task needs. Whether simple data analysis or complex model training requiring large-scale parallel computation, it can automatically distribute tasks to lab GPU clusters. Better yet, its interactive interface and back-end compute are synchronized in real time. The variables you see in the notebook are the same ones the AI agent is processing. This makes interactive analysis extremely smooth. At the same time, it highly values data security. Your raw sensitive data can stay on local servers. Claude only gets necessary analysis instructions and intermediate results, dispelling data privacy concerns from many institutions. So how much value can Claude Science bring to actual research? According to Anthropic's showcase, it has the potential to compress a complex research project that would originally take a team 2 years down to just a few weeks. This is an astonishing efficiency boost. Specifically, it can be applied in multiple domains. In drug discovery, it helps us quickly screen thousands of compounds. In genomics research, it automatically processes massive sequencing data, discovering new biological patterns. It also helps us quickly read hundreds of papers, generate reviews, and propose new research ideas. From experimental design to data analysis, Claude Science is becoming researchers' super accelerator. Claude Science's launch is not an isolated product release, it's part of Anthropic's grand strategic layout. Company leadership clearly stated that life sciences is one of the areas where AI can generate the greatest social value. To achieve this goal, Anthropic took a series of decisive actions. Most notably, in April this year, they spent $400 million to acquire AI pharmaceutical company Coefficient Bio. This injected deep industry knowledge and technology into Claude Science. At the same time, they're actively partnering with industry giants like Novartis and Genentech, ensuring the product is grounded and solves real problems. Even more notably, Anthropic itself has begun using Claude Science for drug R&D. This fully demonstrates their confidence in this product's future and determination to personally lead the AI-driven scientific discovery era. To summarize, through the 3 core values of automation, trustworthiness, and integration, Claude Science is bringing a profound transformation to scientific research. It frees researchers from tedious affairs, letting them focus on real innovative thinking. Looking ahead, we can foresee Claude Science's capabilities not limited to life sciences, expanding into more disciplines. AI agents' autonomy will grow stronger, eventually potentially becoming AI scientists that can independently propose and complete research projects. More importantly, it promises to become a global collaboration platform, connecting wisdom from around the world to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Claude Science is not just a tool, it heralds the arrival of a brand new, AI-driven research era. Thank you.